Exercise 5.2, problem number 8. Identify the type of conic. Find the center, foci, vertices and directrices of the equation x plus 1 the whole square by 100 plus y minus 2 the whole square by 64 equal to 1. Here, which denominator is greater? X square denominator is greater, so that will be taken as a square. So x square denominator is greater, so standard horizontal ellipse equation is x minus h the whole square by a square plus y minus k the whole square by b square equal to 1. Now identify what is your h and k values. Here h is, minus h is plus 1. So here h is equal to minus 1. Change the sign and write. Minus k is equal to minus 2. So k is equal to 2. And always for ellipse, a is greater than b. So a square is greater than b square. So the greater denominator is taken as a square. So here a square is 100. And what is your b square? B square is 64. Now, what type of ellipse is this? Because you have a plus sign in between, it is ellipse. So, type of conic is ellipse. Center. What is the center? Center is h comma k. And we are able to see that h value is minus 1 and k is 2. So center is minus 1 comma 2. Foci. The coordinate of foci is h plus or minus c comma k. Here h value is minus 1. C we have to find. For ellipse, the formula for c square is a square minus b square. Here a square is 100, b square is 64, 100 minus 64 is 36. So c square is 36, taking square root, c is equal to 6. So substituting c value, minus 1 plus or minus 6, comma k is 2. So the two foci are minus 7 comma 2. Minus 1 minus 6 is minus 7. And if you add minus 1 with plus 6, we will get 5 comma 2. So the two foci are minus 7 comma 2 and 5 comma 2. Next, find the vertices. Vertices h plus or minus a comma k. Here h is minus 1, a square is 100. So taking square root, a is equal to 10. So minus 1 plus or minus 10, comma k value is 2. So the two vertices are minus 1 added with minus 10 is minus 11 comma 2. And minus 1 added with plus 10 is 9 comma 2. So the coordinate of two vertices are minus 11 comma 2 and 9 comma 2. Now directrice. Directrice, it's a horizontal ellipse because you have a greater denominator below x square. It is horizontal ellipse, so x is equal to h plus or minus a square by c. So x is equal to h value is minus 1, a square value is 100, c is 6. So if you take LCM, the right side will be x is equal to minus 6 plus or minus 100 by 6. Therefore, the equation of two directrices are minus 6 minus 100 minus 106 divided by 6. That we can write it as x is equal to, after cancelling, minus 53 by 3. And the other directrix is x is equal to minus 6 plus 100 is 94. 94 by 6. So now cancelling numerator and denominator, we'll get x is equal to 47 by 3. So the two directrices are x is equal to minus 53 by 3 and x is equal